Welcome to my channel, great people,
where we explore the lives of extraordinary individuals who have left an indelible mark on history, from renowned leaders and innovators to unsung heroes and trailblazers. We delve into their stories of courage, brilliance, and passion.
Welcome to a journey of inspiration and admiration. Welcome to great people. Today, we explore the incredible life of one of the greatest scientific minds in history, Albert Einstein. He was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. His parents were Hermann Einstein, an engineer, and Pauline Einstein, a musician. As a child, Einstein displayed a natural curiosity and an early interest in science and mathematics. He had a deep fascination with the mysteries of the universe and a desire to understand the fundamental principles that governed it. However, he struggled with the traditional education system and often clashed with his teachers, who found his unconventional thinking and rebellious nature disruptive. The story commonly associated with Albert Einstein and an apple is a popular anecdote used to illustrate the discovery of gravity. According to the story, when Einstein was a young man, he was sitting under an apple tree in his family's garden. As he looked up at the tree, he saw an apple fall to the ground. This observation supposedly led him to ponder the nature of gravity and eventually formulate his theory of general relativity. While the story has become legendary, there is some debate about its accuracy. The tale likely originated from a conversation Einstein had with his friend and biographer Carl Selig. In the late 1950s, Selig recounted that Einstein mentioned his thoughts about gravity being inspired by watching the fall of an apple. However, it is important to note that the story is more of a metaphorical illustration than a literal account of Einstein's scientific discovery. The actual development of Einstein's theory of gravity, known as general relativity, was a complex process that involved years of rigorous mathematical work and collaboration with other physicists. It was not solely inspired by a single moment under an apple tree. Nonetheless, the apple story has endured as a symbol of scientific curiosity and the power of observation, highlighting Einstein's immense contributions to our understanding of the universe. He had a deep fascination with the mysteries of the universe and a desire to understand the fundamental principles that governed it. However, he struggled with the traditional education system and often clashed with his teachers, who found his unconventional thinking and rebellious nature disruptive. In 1895, Einstein applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology at Zurich but failed the entrance examination. He enrolled in a Swiss secondary school to complete his education and, after a year of intense studying, successfully retook the entrance exam and gained admission to Zurich in 1896. At Zurich, Einstein studied physics and mathematics, and he graduated in 1900 with a teaching diploma. Despite excelling academically, he had difficulty finding a teaching position, so he worked briefly as a tutor and gave private lessons to support himself. In 1902, Einstein secured a position as a patent examiner at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. This job provided him with a stable income and allowed him to pursue his scientific interests in his spare time. In 1905, often referred to as his miracle year, Einstein published 4 revolutionary papers that had a profound impact on physics. These papers introduced the theory of special relativity, which challenged long-held Newtonian concepts of space and time, as well as the famous equation E equals mc, which described the relationship between energy and mass. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921, laid the foundation for quantum theory. His general theory of relativity, published in 1915, further transformed our understanding of gravity by describing it as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. In 1933, with the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany, Einstein, who was Jewish, decided to emigrate to the United States. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he spent the remainder of his career. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. In Princeton, New Jersey,